Are we all bored at home? But do you want to hear a story? Huh? I've got an amazing story for you. It's called Snoring Shanmugam, and it's about a lion. It's a wonderful story. You want to hear the story? Come on. But before I tell you the story, let's sing a song. Ready? Alright. The song goes like this. My name is Shanmugam. I am a lion. I like to eat just like you. My name is Shanmugam. I am a lion. I like to sleep just like you. My name is Shanmugam. I am a lion. I like to snore just like you. But do you know how he snored? He was really loud. It went like this. My name is Shanmugam. I am a lion. I have a story just for you. So you ready to hear the story? Once upon a time, in a beautiful jungle, lived Shanmugam, the king of the jungle. But the other animals were not happy with him, especially Hutoxi the horse. Snorted Hutoxi the horse as she shook her mane. Look at him. He's so lazy, huh? Sleeping all day. Is that the way the king of the jungle should behave? But Amma, the gentle, wise elephant, she said, Hutoxi, don't be upset. We are lucky. We have such a gentle lion as a king. Imagine if he was cruel, none of us would be safe, huh? But Hutoxi, she was very upset. Look at him, she snorted. He does only two things all day. He eats and he sleeps. 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 She was right. Shanmugam, he slept for 20 hours a day, and the rest of the time he ate. The more he ate, the more he slept. But did Hutoxi say that Shanmugam did only two things? No. Shanmugam did three things. He ate, he slept, and he snored. And what a snore it was. It was a snore and a roar mixed together. So it was a ferocious snore. You know how to do it? Come on, do it with me now. It went something like this. When you were far off, all you could hear was when you came closer, you could hear the gentle. So it sounded like a scary roar. Only if you came closer, you realize it's just a snore. Who had the maximum fun with this? It was Mannu the monkey, because he noticed that when Shanmugam snored, his tummy went up, and down, 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 up, and down, 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 down. So he thought, hey, this is such a lovely joyride. So he sat on Shanmugam's tummy and he went, But all the other animals in the jungle, they were fed up of the noise. They said, please, somebody stop the noise. We're going crazy. So they all went to Amma the elephant. She was a wise old elephant. And she had noticed that Shanmugam, he only snored when he lay on his back. So, with her trunk, she rolled it around Shanmugam and turned him on the side. So he went silence. There was silence. There was silence in the jungle. Suddenly you could hear the birds chirping, the leaves rustling, the water flowing. You could hear sounds of other animals. The animals could hear themselves. They were so happy. They said, finally there's silence in the jungle. And everybody went around doing their activities for the day. They were all happy. Shanmugam was sleeping soundly without a noise. And the camel, he was coming in from the desert into the jungle when he heard a scary noise. What's that sound? That doesn't sound like Shanmugam. It was a new lion. A lean, mean, brawny, tawny lion. It was Gabbar Singh. Kitne animals hai? I am looking to make this jungle my new home. And I am going to eat all the animals one by one. I don't see any other lion pug marks. So I will be the only lion in this jungle. What is that I smell? Food. I smell an elephant. I smell a horse. I smell a monkey. And what is that I smell close by? I smell a camel. Come on, lion, run into the jungle. And he told all the animals, hey, you know what? There is a new lion. He's coming into the jungle. We're not safe anymore. We're not safe anymore. The rabbit, he said, oh my God, what do we do? What do we do? I don't know what to do. We need to do something. Gather all the small children. Gather all the small babies. Keep them close to us. I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Shanmugam, he didn't wake up. Hutoxi said, what is the use even if he wakes up? If Gabbar Singh sees what a gentle lion we have, he'll throw him out of the jungle. There is no use. Just then, Bahadur, the baby elephant, had a brilliant idea. He told Amma, the wise old elephant, about his idea. And Amma decided to try it. Now, when does Shanmugam snore? He snores when he's on his back. So, Amma rolled him back on his back and Shanmugam started to snore. Gabbar Singh, he heard that sound. He said, what is that? What is that? Oh my God, what is that sound? From where Gabbar was standing, he could not hear the. He could only hear the. And it sounded very ferocious. Gabbar thought, oh my God, Is there another lion in this jungle? He sounds huge and strong and scary and fierce. I might as well run away. And he tucked his tail between his legs and he ran away. When the animals saw Gabbar Singh run away, they were so happy and they all celebrated. Yay! Yay! Shanmugam, you've done it! Yay, 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 yay! We're free! We're safe now! Shanmugam, he woke up with all that noise. What happened? What's the matter? Why is everybody here? Did my snoring trouble you? Huh? Did it? All the animals looked at him and said, "No, Shanmugam. Snore away, Shanmugam." The end. I hope you like this story, and you also have to tell me who snores in your family.